Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I am here with some epic couponing deals at Meijer coming up next week. It's going to be a really good week over at Meijer with the coupons and everything. Lots of really awesome promotions and stuff at Meijer. So first up, I would like to say I would really appreciate it if you would print the coupons using the links I will have in the comments below. It really helps me out. And if you want to see the Meijer videos continue, please print the coupons using those links. So yeah, let's dive right into these awesome deals. So the first deal, I have 3 different scenarios for this, but I'm sure you can come up with a bunch of different scenarios. We have Garnier Fructis, Garnier Skincare, and Garnier Hair Care. Spend 10, get $5 off Catalina for your next beauty care purchase. It'll print out as a Catalina. Really good deals coming along with it. So let me tell you, I have 3 scenarios that I came up with. So the first one, you need to pick up 2 of the Garnier whole blends and 1 of the Garnier Fructis. So the whole blends are $3.69 each, and the Fructis is $3.49. Use 1 of the $4 off of 2 whole blends coupon from the 3-4 Red Plum, plus use 1 $2 printable coupon for the Fructis. Then you can submit for the $4 Saving Star rebate. So after doing all that and getting the $5 Catalina back, it makes it a $4.13 moneymaker for those. This scenario, pick up 1 Garnier cleansing wipe at $5.29 and 2 Garnier whole blends at $3.69. It comes to $12.67. Use 1 of the $2 off Garnier cleanser coupons. You can either print it in the comments below or use the coupon that came in the paper on March the 4th. Also, be sure to use the $4 off of 2 whole blends coupon. You then can submit for the $4 saving start on the whole blends and the $2 saving start on the wipes. And after getting the Catalina, it's a $4.33 moneymaker. And finally, on the just the Fructis, if you want 3 Fructis, pick up 3 of them for $3.49. Use 3 $2 coupons. You'll pay $4.47. You'll get back a $5 Catalina. This makes your final price a 53-cent moneymaker, which is awesome. This next deal is a little mega event at Meijer. Buy 5, save 5. Mix and match. You have to buy 5 participating items. It doesn't have to be 5 of the same thing. So keep that in mind when doing the deals. So here we have Lysol products, 99 cents. On the Lysol wipes, we have a 50-cent off of 1 printable coupon. I will have in the comments below to print. So to make them 49 cents. And the Lysol spray, we did get some coupons in the 3-4 Smart Stores. Can't exactly remember what they were. But be sure to check at your store for hang tags. There's been multiple $3 off of 4 hang tag coupons for Lysol. So if you found the hang tag, these would only be 24 cents each, which would be an awesome price. But really good deals on Lysol. The Chips Ahoy, $1.74. Buy 2 of them and use the 75-cent off of 2 Nabisco coupon from the 211 Smart Source. So it makes your final price $1.36 per pack. The Sparkle paper towels are $3.99 on the mega event. Use the 1-off-1 printable coupon I'll have in the comments below to print. It'll make your final price $2.99 for the paper towels. So yeah, that is all I have for now, and thank you so much for watching.